today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing video. So we got the Insta360 1X2, and then we also got a car mount that we're going to also be reviewing. So we're going to be doing an unboxing, and then we're going to be doing a review. I'm going to make sure to take it out. We're going to see what it looks like and all that type of stuff. And yeah, so let's get started. Alright, so first things first, we're trying to open up this Insta360 camera. It's got a little plastic on it. You gotta scrape it off. Alright, put this away. Get a little close up for you guys. Take it out the box. So we got like this. That's what the side looks like. That's where the battery is. That's where the power button and stuff is. Okay. We'll just put this right in this box. Alright, then it comes with a smaller box right there, right inside. Couple it up on the side. So the first thing you pull out, this could be the charger or how you plug it into your laptop. Got a little pad in here. Okay. So it comes with a little pouch for you to put it in. That's cool. Next, we're gonna go ahead and open up the Neewer car mount stand. Get all this stuff out your way. Moving the menus to the side. Well, this isn't a menu. This is just warning and stuff. This is the menu. This is what it looks like inside. Looks pretty neat. So this is like the one thing I've always been wanting to try. I've seen a lot of car mounts like this where they have these little knobs on them. So I wanted to get me ones like this. Pretty sure you like push them in or something like that. Not too sure, but we'll look into it. It's got the third piece right here. You got the mount for your camera. This is where it's gonna go on. Wow. You got like a different type of, I'm not gonna say what this really is, to be honest with you. But there's that. We got some more, just a bunch of accessories basically is what's in here. All types of stuff. Then in here is the main pole. So you can see it has 1, 2, 3, 4. Not too sure how it all works. Say little, but no, it's pretty big. It's gonna be on your car, so like I said, it's gonna stretch out pretty far. Last couple of things, these are the tools you're gonna use. And then another accessory to latch on. that should be everything in this box. So now we're gonna set up the camera and see all we gotta do to get it connected to the phone and all of that. So see y'all when we get back. All right, so after looking at it for a little bit, I've noticed some things about the camera. So first off, this is how you take the battery out. You have these two notches right here, 1 and 2. You squeeze them together, and you kind of pull it out, and it'll kind of pop out itself, and just like that. Now, I'm also using a small gigabyte card right now, but where you put it in, it's also gonna say it. It's gonna say SD. Let's see if y'all can see it. All right, hopefully y'all can see it a little, but right here where my finger is at, you can see the slot, and you just take the take your SD card and make sure it's facing up, and then you just insert it in, and just like any other camera, it'll make that little sound, just like that. And it does matter which way you're facing it, so you can see that one side, if you're looking at yours, this side is sticking out more. So if I were to put it in like this, and there's also this little notch. So if I were to put it in like this, you see how it's kind of sticking more to this side? I'll show you a little bit better. See how it's sticking more to this side than this side? That's how you know you have it in the wrong way. Insert it like this, squeeze those two notches again, push it in with your thumb, and just like that. Now with this part right here, this is how you charge it. So again, you just push that notch in, it'll kind of pop out, and you can pull it out. Twist it around, whatever you want to do with it. And right here is how, like I said, it's got the USB-C. Make sure you can see better. Oh yeah, I forgot I can just tap it. But yeah, the USB-C right there, that's how you charge it. And also, like I said, how to connect it to your laptop. Now, one of these notches goes in and one doesn't. So you put the one that doesn't go in first, and then you push the little notch up and it goes straight in. So if you have the stand like I have, you're gonna grab the smaller piece, the single piece, twist this one on right here. I like to have these pointed towards the front of the car. If you, I'll show you guys. So this piece right here, this is what goes on to here. And then this latch part right here goes on top of that. You want to make sure they're all twisted on like as tight as possible, like they should be. This probably won't be twisted on for y'all, so it'll just be dangling down like this. You just open it up. Like I said, I like to have these facing towards the front of my car. So it's got these different notches for like when you twist it to stretch it out. You're gonna want to try to stretch, have this up a little bit right here, and then that'll be where it holds. You can go a little further up if you want to. I do it that far so that I can get as high as possible. Give it as much height as you can. So with this part, as you can see, it does all this bending. So that's gonna be what you use to help adjust these and make sure they're all leveled the same. Also, what I like to do, I'm pretty sure you're gonna want to do the same, is I try to line it up in the middle as much as I can. So once you have it down like this, you feel like well, try to adjust this. Mine's a little crooked, so try to get it as straight as possible. But once you do, you're gonna have these on there. You just take these off, place it on, make sure wherever you're gonna put it is clean. You push it down, and then you just start pushing this in. Once this white line, make sure you can see it. Once this white line right here disappears, like goes on the inside, you'll know that it's fully sealed and it's not gonna come off. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this. Once you figure out how you need to have it set up, then you can either go ahead and start twisting that long part that's real bendy, or go ahead and start pushing these pressure things in so that the suction cups start gripping your car. It's real satisfying too. That's why I got these, because I knew what they did and I've seen them before. So now you can see that the white line is gone because it's pushed in as much as possible. You're just steadily pushing it in all the way. So now, put that to the side. Go ahead and put your camera on. And it does not matter which way you have it facing. I found that out. So you could have it literally facing up, facing side to side. It's a 360 camera. You can literally adjust it how you want to after the video and during, if you have the app. You're gonna actually have to have the app anyway. So just to set your camera up. Now, one thing to add, because trial and error, I've found this out doing this. Be careful when you're twisting these and pulling. So all you have to do is twist it. Since we're facing this way, even though it's the opposite for y'all, you're gonna be twisting it to your left. And then once you'll see that it kind of goes up a little bit, you can pull it. Now, like I said, be careful when you're pulling it, because I've already done it to where I pulled it and it came straight out. So be real careful of that. It's got little plastic pieces in there too. It's really supposed to hold, there's like stoppers, I'm gonna call them, in there to like really keep it from popping out, but it did. And now y'all can see, going the wrong way. Now y'all can see the camera right here, because it's extended all the way. And then you just go to all of them, twist them to the right, make sure they're all nice and on there, and you're done. This is how it should look. Yeah, it looks fire, bro. It's like I ain't a street racer or nothing, but you know, I like to do stuff to my car. I've got it to where it makes noise now, so I want to have videos from the outside recorded, so that's why I got it. So if you want to do the same, this is not don't listen to what everybody calls it. This is not a gap cam, okay? It is a 360 camera for you to, you know what I'm saying, get action videos or whatever, okay? So if you want to get a 360 camera, but you were just thinking about, oh, I don't have a race car, blah, 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 bro, that's not the point of it. People use this. There's people over here riding bikes and stuff right now. You can literally get on your bike, put that on your bike, and that be your video, you know? Snowboarding, whatever. But now that we got it set up, you just hit the power button. Turns on. I'm gonna turn the brightness down just so, because I know it's real hot outside. It's kind of hard to see, so never mind. I ain't gonna lie, we're just gonna deal with it because it is hard to see. Sorry if it was a little sideways or diagonal. But basically, now that you got it turned on, you can just hit the record button. And just like that, now we're recording. Look, as I was saying how hot it was, I ended up walking around showing y'all the front, phone cut off. Literally said it was too hot. Alright, so I got it recording right now. And about to get some footage. Put it in sport. I ain't gonna go too crazy, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna let y'all hear what it sounds like. It's real cool.
I'm getting better.